Dow Jones today stock poised to open higher. Major indexes on track for weekly gains. Bitcoin jump above 102,000. Stock futures are higher Friday morning, putting major U.S. indexes on track to post weekly gains for the first time in 3 weeks. Futures tied to the Dow Jones industry average were up 0.5% in recent trading, while those linked to the S&P 500 and NASDAQ added 0.7 and 1.2 respectively. The major indexes closed lower on Thursday, one day after posting the best performance since early November, as big name technology stocks slumped. The large cap tech stocks were higher across the board. In pre-market trading in the morning, Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta platforms, and Tesla were all gaining ground. Crypto-related stocks were also moving higher ahead of the bell as Bitcoin jumped to near 103,000, its highest level since mid-December. Shares of MicroStrategy, a software maker that has become one of the world's largest holders in Bitcoin, was up more than 4%. Crypto exchange Coinbase Global was up 3.5%, while Bitcoin miner Myra held holdings rose 4%. Financial services stock were also focused this morning as several regional banks released quarterly results. Huntington, Berkshire, and Regional Financial were each up 1% after report earnings, while Citizen Financial dropped nearly 2%. The economy data calendar is light on Friday. Earlier this week, better than expected inflation data revived investor hopes that the Federal Reserve would be positioned to cut interest rates again. The encouraging report on consumer prices sent Treasury yields sharply lower and gave stock a big boost. The yield on the 10-year Treasury was down again this morning. The yield, which is correlated with interest rate expectation, was at 4.58%, down from 4.61% yesterday afternoon, and trading at its lowest levels in 2 weeks. Gold futures were down 0.4% at $2,740 an ounce, while crude oil futures also fell slightly. United Health levels to watch amid post-earnings slump. United Health Group shares were down slightly in pre-market trading Friday after falling sharply yesterday when the health issuer reported fourth quarter result below Wall Street expectation, issued a luster outlook amid high medical costs. United Health shares were biggest decliners of the S&P 500 on Thursday, falling 6% to $510.59. The stock, which is down nearly 20% from its record high set in November, is virtually unchanged from a year ago, while the S&P 500 has gained 25% in the last 12 months. After relying from their mid-December low, United Health shares ran into selling pressure near the 200-day moving average, with Thursday drop following several failed attempts by the bulls to close above the closely watched indicator. Moreover, Thursday selling occurred on the highest trading volume since the stock's sharp move lower last month opened the door for the future downside. Investors should watch key support levels on United Health charts around 475 and 436. While also monitoring important overhead areas near 550